Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of starting your day with soggy cereal or bland toast? It's time to ditch those pathetic excuses for breakfast and fuel your body with some bloody amazing smoothies. We're talking vibrant, delicious, and packed with enough nutrients to make you feel like £1,000,000. Welcome to Fit for Life. Today, we're sharing 5 simple and delicious superfood smoothie recipes to kickstart your day with a health boost. We're going to blitz through these recipes, showing you how to whip up these nutritional powerhouses in no time. Get ready to elevate your morning routine and conquer your day. First up, we're tackling the Green Energy Smoothie. This isn't just any ordinary smoothie, it's a powerhouse of nutrients designed to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and vitality. Don't turn your nose up, you muppets. I know it looks green and maybe a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's delicious and incredibly good for you. This isn't some grassy swamp water, it's a vibrant, refreshing drink that will make your taste buds dance and your body thank you. This is a vibrant blend of spinach, banana, and chia seeds that'll send those energy levels soaring. Spinach is packed with iron and vitamins, bananas add natural sweetness and potassium, and chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of fiber and omega-3s. We're talking 1 packed cup of spinach, and don't you dare wimp out and use iceberg lettuce. Spinach is the real deal here, loaded with nutrients that your body craves. Grab a ripe banana, the riper the better for natural sweetness, you hear? Bananas are not only sweet, but also provide a creamy texture that makes the smoothie delightful. Now, a tablespoon of chia seeds, those tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber and omega-3s. They help keep you full and satisfied, and they add a nice texture to the smoothie. Finally, a cup of almond milk to bring it all together. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that adds a subtle nutty flavor and creaminess to the smoothie. Blitz it until smooth, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. Blend it well to ensure all the ingredients are perfectly combined, creating a smooth and luscious drink. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized throughout the day. It's not just a drink, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports your overall health. No more mid-morning slumps or reaching for those sugary snacks. This smoothie will keep you going strong, providing sustained energy and focus. This is fuel for warriors. Whether you're heading to the gym, tackling a busy workday, or just need a healthy pick-me-up, this Green Energy Smoothie has got your back. Drink up and feel the difference. Next, we're diving into a berry antioxidant smoothie. A delightful blend that's as nutritious as it is delicious. This one's bursting with flavor and will make you feel like you're sipping on sunshine. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your face as you enjoy this refreshing drink. We're using a mix of berries here, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you fancy. Each berry brings its own unique flavor and health benefits to the table. Get a good handful in there for a potent antioxidant punch. These antioxidants help fight off free radicals, keeping your body healthy and vibrant. Now, a dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess and a protein boost. Greek yogurt is not only creamy but also packed with probiotics that aid in digestion. Don't even think about using that artificially sweetened rubbish. Artificial sweeteners can have adverse effects on your health, so it's best to avoid them. We're going for natural sweetness here, so a drizzle of honey will do the trick. Honey not only sweetens but also adds a touch of natural goodness. Blitz it all up, and you've got a smoothie that's not only delicious but also fantastic for your skin and immune system. The blending process ensures all the ingredients are perfectly combined. Rich in antioxidants, it boosts immunity and skin health. The vibrant colors of the berries are a testament to their nutrient density. And here's a tip from yours truly. Try adding a spoonful of chia seeds for an extra omega-3 boost. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients, adding fiber and healthy fats to your smoothie. Share this delightful smoothie with a friend or loved one, and enjoy the burst of flavors together. It's a perfect way to start your day, or a refreshing treat anytime. Remember, the key to a great smoothie is fresh, high-quality ingredients. So, always choose the best berries and natural sweeteners for the ultimate taste and health benefits. Enjoy every sip of this berry antioxidant smoothie, knowing you're nourishing your body with every delicious mouthful. Cheers to good health and great taste. Chapter 3. Feeling sluggish, like you need a holiday from your own body? Then this tropical detox smoothie is just what the doctor ordered. We're using pineapple, the king of fruits, for its anti-inflammatory properties. Grab a handful of chunks and chuck them in. Next, coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink to replenish and hydrate. And finally, a dash of turmeric, the golden spice of life, for its incredible detoxifying properties. Blitz it all together, and you've got a taste of paradise that'll cleanse your system from the inside out. This smoothie helps cleanse your system, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion. It's like a mini vacation for your gut. Chapter 4. Now, for all you fitness fanatics and gym junkies, this protein power smoothie is your new secret weapon. Whether you're lifting weights, running marathons, or just trying to stay fit, this smoothie is designed to give you the energy and nutrients you need to power through your workouts and recover faster. We're starting with almond butter, a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein. Almond butter not only adds a creamy texture but also provides essential nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium, which are crucial for muscle function and recovery. A couple of heaped tablespoons should do it. This will give your smoothie a rich, nutty flavor and a protein boost that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next, oats, the unsung heroes of the breakfast world for sustained energy release. Oats are packed with complex carbohydrates and fiber, which help to stabilize blood sugar levels and provide long-lasting energy. Don't use those instant sugary ones, mind you. Instant oats often contain added sugars and preservatives that can spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish. We're talking good old-fashioned rolled oats. These are minimally processed and retain most of their natural nutrients, making them a healthier choice. And finally, a scoop of Moringa powder. Moringa is a superfood that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. This stuff is a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. It helps to boost your immune system, improve digestion, and enhance muscle recovery. Blitz it all up, and you've got a smoothie that'll fuel your workouts and aid muscle recovery. The combination of almond butter, oats, and moringa powder creates a balanced blend of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Boosts muscle recovery, aids weight management. This smoothie is not just for post-workout. It's also great as a meal replacement or a healthy snack. And don't forget, you can adjust the consistency to your liking. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, add less liquid. For a thinner consistency, add more almond milk or water. Add a bit more almond milk if you prefer it thinner. You can also experiment with other liquids like coconut water or Greek yogurt for added flavor and nutrition. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we're whipping up a citrus immune booster smoothie. This one's a zinger, packed with vitamin C to keep those pesky colds at bay. We're using oranges, lemons, and a cheeky bit of ginger for an extra kick. Start with a couple of juicy oranges, peeled and segmented. Then a lemon, zested and juiced. Don't be shy with the zest, it's where all the flavor lives. And finally, a knob of fresh ginger, peeled and roughly chopped. Blitz it all together, and you've got a tangy and refreshing smoothie that'll boost your immune system and leave you feeling revitalized. Loaded with vitamin C to strengthen your immune system, it's like a sunshine injection straight into your veins. Outro, there you have it, you lot. 5 incredible superfood smoothie recipes to transform your mornings and boost your health. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or reaching for those processed sugary cereals. If you enjoyed these easy superfood smoothie recipes, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Fit for Life for more health and wellness tips. Remember, your health is your wealth, so invest in it wisely. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you all in the next video.